Hi, I'm Jean Panikiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 4 of our 12-part Rosa for iOS user guide series. In this video, we're going to talk about the various icons in the toolbar and how to use them. If you don't know what Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. The address bar works just like any other browser's address bar. While most sites should be accessible, the only time you should run into an issue is if the site is using a very old or expired certificate, if the SSL certificate was signed by an authority not in our trust list and is inaccessible, or if you're running software that isn't supported by Apple's iOS, such as Flash, Java, or ActiveX. When you tap the address bar, not only will you see the keyboard, but there will also be a camera icon just above the keyboard. The first time you click this, you will see a prompt asking you to allow access to the camera. This camera will open our QR scanner to allow you to scan the QR code of a URL. Our Google search bar provides a search box to carry out web searches and functions, much like you'd expect in any other web browser. This envelope icon can take you to our enhanced OWA client. We'll discuss this in more detail in part 9 of this video series. These page navigation buttons allow you to browse back and forth to pages you've previously visited. The icon of a box with an arrow pointing out of the top is called the Action button. There are several different features available here, which we'll talk about more in part 5. The icon that looks like an open book is the Bookmarks icon. We'll learn how to add, edit, and delete bookmarks in part 6 of this video series. Besides the long scroll up that we already talked about, you can also access your tabs by clicking on the icon that looks like two boxes stacked on top of each other. The gear icon allows you to access settings and information about Rosa Pro. We'll discuss these settings in detail in parts 7 and 8 of this series. The location of these icons will change depending on which device you are using and if you are holding it in landscape or portrait. Remember, if you don't see the toolbar at all, it may be because you've hidden it. To reveal the toolbar again, just scroll up. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.